What's up, guys? Today we'll be playing this game, Kidnapper. Yay! Now I'm gonna be going solo because I'm so tough. What is in the shop? Friends, no. So beautiful. Why am I so beautiful? Damn. Get out of here! Bum, 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 bum. Finally. Normal. Kind of looks like a shawarma game. Kind of. Normal actually. Also, I saw my last video's footage and apparently you... whatever. Dad, you received a message. Why did you take the plane? I told you, it's too expensive. I'm kind of broke right now. Then how are you coming back? I'm driving my car. That rusty old metal isn't a car. It breaks down anytime. I know, I just have to pray it works this time. Because I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. Okay, don't text while driving. Drive safely, dear. I'm running out of gas. I was running out of gas. I do not like the look of this. Yeah, okay. Wait, so he's telling a story. We aren't really living the story. Okay, the cashier doesn't really know what that is, probably. Good evening. The total is $9.99. How much Roblox is the end for you? Dude! You chose a male character! Stupid! Why is my mouse not locking? What? It's not locking! Oh, I'm just going home on this highway. I'm headed to the bridge. I'm gonna choose this. Can't do it by yourself. It isn't safe out there at this time. Huh? Is something bad going on? Yeah, people have gone missing down there. And the people who went looking for them never came back. The police say the normal ghost torn them into pieces. Normal ghost? Well, you can find out. Have a good day. Okay, dude, are you with me or are you trying to get me killed? Yeah, I got the memo. I saw something moving. Oh, come on! Of course there's gonna be a white van where the kidnapper's gonna come from. So, am I fueling the door? So what do you want me to do? I'm trying to get in the car. Let's hope there's some radio music on. Stupid car. Yep, I'm just gonna stay on top of the car. Okay, it's not. Is this a kitty? Oh, it's a Shiba. Nice. Might as well leave the car here. Oh, hello, good driver, good sir. Why do you not have any textures? Whatever. To the nearest motel where I can find help. Hurry up, get your bags. I know why I feel a jump scare. Nothing is gonna eat me tonight. Hopefully. Boop. Thank you, good sir. Just leave the car there. It doesn't really matter. It's more or less broken. So you're not gonna tell me where you were going? I was driving home. Jeff. My name is... I'm kind of Samantha. Me? Really? Me? You can't help? You couldn't have gone any closer? Jump scare. Told you. Wow. You're one brave woman. You're one not brave male, I guess. It must be the battery failed with them. He really creeped me out. What do you think about the ghost? I haven't seen it myself, but bad things happen, and I'm sure your car breaking down is one of them. I don't want to sound like that idiot, but just remember, don't trust anybody. Dude, is that your head? No, don't. It's fine. Okay, is that really his head? He is that short? Can you even reach the pedals? I think this is the reception. Hello, good sir. Girl, do you need a room to stay for the night? How much is it for a room? $40 for only accept cash. 6, 7 more time. Come on! Come on! Serious right now, bro? Are you serious, man? 6, 7 motel? Yeah, nobody would like it. Okay, now why is it so big? I'll try my best. Okay, why? You do not need Robux this much. And Tommy will bring your car tomorrow? Thanks, have a good night. Oh my god. Yeah, where? Where? Oh. Dude, I was already in my room. This is really creepy music. Cola, nah. Lemon? No. I guess, fine. Lemon is probably the best. But this looks pretty big. A fat bottle of lemon. Dad, what happened? Where are you? Send me your location. No. Wait, guess. Disappointing. Just disappointing. 6, 7 motel? Come on, Dad. It was warm and warming. I'm sorry. Guess I'm sleeping on wood. Bah! Should be asking you that. Yeah, you wanna fight with me? I have a rifle, M4A1. Okay, why? Yeah, the audio not the best. I left my luggage at the motel? At the reception? What? Am I stupid? Damn, bro, fast drinker. Oh, I just left all of my luggage right there. Something creepy is going on. I bet you planted something in the house. I just know. Laugh it all up. 6, 7 more times. Hey, Tom. Hey, what? Okay, can you give me the key after my room? So why are your teeth so slanted? What are those teeth? Damn, the diagonal. Up. Yes. What did I do if I get in trouble then? Oh, also, W Tommy, I guess. But I have a feeling he's the kidnapper. I mean, come on, helpful guy in your room. You too, Tommy. You too. Wait, but soon I'm gonna get my car. He won't be able to sleep. Okay.
Breaking news. A kidnapper is on the loose, and this is what he looks like. Cops say he drives a white van, and he is very dangerous. If you
This guy's Maria Parker, female. He's gonna have a bedtime. Yep. Of course I'm gonna wake up in the middle of the night, because why wouldn't I wake up in the middle of the night? Oh, hello! How you doing? Yeah, you think? Okay, you see somebody with a knife outside your room, and what you do is get a drink. Does this woman have, well, does this man have any survival instincts? I'm gonna get a hot latte. God, such a revenge. Dude? Okay, laugh it all up now. Can you close the door before just... I swear to God, if you kill me, Tommy, I will... Yo, W, Tommy, man. W. But we know this guy is gonna die. Then we're next. Sorry, the smooth as coffee is rotten. Dude, somebody's gonna kill you, man. Bro, I fell down on the ground. So why are smiling. What was that?
So many nights walking out.
Well, that's not good. Dude! It's in my hand! Drink it! Go back to a room and don't come out. What do you mean pills, bro? Why would I need pills? So where are you going? Oh, what? Can you give me a room right next to the reception? Nope. Really, bro? Really? Damn, bro. That's some animation. Dude! Wait, how does he know that I'm in a motel? Is there any Wi-Fi here? Yes. Damn, this music rocks. That's a beautiful picture. Wait, my phone is ringing. Okay, I'm back. A flight? How far from home am I? So what did you write? No. Thank you, Sherlock. Although I'm in here, who will reply to you? I have a rifle. Get out of here, weirdo. I chose the male skin. I will get you. Is he even out there? Don't open the door. Tell me now. What does this guy think he is? I'm right. Oh, never mind. He looks like an angel. Tommy! Tommy, come on, Tommy! Beat the shit out of him, Tommy! Fuck him up! Come on! W, Tom. Tom, man. Tom. Damn, he did it good. Wow. Damn, Tommy. You buff. Well, that's all for today. Hope you have a good day. Like and subscribe, which you probably should do. And bye bye.